Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So it's another travel day, and Thibaut and I are heading to Buffalo, New York because his friends are getting married there. So we're going for a wedding, and then we're also planning to go to Canada, see Niagara Falls. I've never been to that country before, so I'm very excited to do something new. And another cool thing is we finally got to park in Terminal C, because last time we came here and for Peru in May, it was closed. This terminal wasn't available for the park, but we always park our car here when we're on these little short trips. But yeah, it's really early. We've been up since 3:45 in the morning because we have a really early flight. Oops. And our flight leaves at 6:30 in the morning, but everything is on time. That's the perks of having a really early flight. Most likely you'll be able to get on, no delays and cancellations. So
may I have your attention, please? For security reasons, passengers must.
Biggest trash
okay,
bin
guys.
I've ever seen.
He's always calling me trash. He's trying to give me a used mayo packet because he bought a sandwich in the airport. And he's like, oh, do you want to use mayo packet? Like, why would I want that? Alright, so it's a very full flight. Okay guys, so I want to show you all the stuff you can do on here. They have a lot of movies that you can choose from. But the thing is, I forgot my headphones at home, so you need to get one of those. I could just steal yours. But yeah, you need one of those headphone jacks that can go in here, which I forgot it in my room. But yeah, look at all the... Yeah.
Where it's left and right audio.
Oops. Let's see, movies. So I want to show you what movies you can watch, like Hopper, Project Hail Mary, Michael Jackson movie, Elvis. So there's a whole bunch of stuff you can choose from. And then also you can get onto Wi-Fi too, which I always use while I'm on this plane because they always provide Wi-Fi. I'm always scrolling. It's free.
It's a waste of money.
How? First of all, how do you waste money when you don't spend any money? Does that make any sense?
There's no such thing as free Wi-Fi.
Well, we'll show it to you once it doesn't work on the ground, but when we're in the air.
Members prepared for departure. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now closed the main cabin door prior to aircraft moving. We need to make sure everybody's seated. So this is securely fastened overhead bin.
Okay, so what I was gonna say is, I thought this flight.
You're not following the rules.
My seatbelt is on.
Is your phone in airplane mode?
Oh, I'm about to do it right
Camera
now.
on?
It's about to shut off in 2 seconds. Oh,
Tray table away?
yes. Or do you think you are a flight attendant now? Anyway, so I was saying.
That's fine.
Okay. So we find, why is it so zoomed in? Whoa. So we just landed in Buffalo, New York. It was a really quick flight, like 2 hours, a couple minutes. Went by quick, but we just browsed on the phone using the Wi-Fi and had some snacks and drinks on the plane. Now we're going to pick up the rental car and then go check into the hotel. Hopefully the room's ready early. If not, we're going to hang out with Chris and Alicia at their place. Okay, so we just checked in for our rental at National. It was very quick. There was no line, so we got in and out. We had 2 choices. We were able to pick either a Cadillac or a Mercedes. And of course, you know my bougie shelf, I'd rather a Mercedes. If Audi was an option, I would have picked that. But hey, this is going to be our ride for the next 4 days. Okay, so we got in the car, and honestly, we're not used to these fancy features, so there's a lot of things I have to get used to. And plus, on top of that, I wasn't expecting an SUV. I was expecting like a regular car, like either a coupe or a sedan. But
Well, this is what you chose.
okay, it was between that or the Cadillac. You want the Cadillac then? Okay.
I mean, yeah. I don't know what kind of Cadillac it was.
Probably an Escalade. That's what I'm assuming, if they're giving us SUVs. Okay, so I like how it's wireless Apple CarPlay, because on my mom's car, you have to plug in the cord for this to pop up, so it's nice. So we can use the GPS from the car here. And then I'm so slow, I didn't realize to turn the AC up higher or lower. It's up here. I thought it was by the fan. I'm like so slow right now. But this is a quick tour of the back seat. So it has 3 seats there, and then 2 seats up here, then the trunk. And then up here we have a sunroof. And there's some other buttons over here that has a radio, navigation, and then there's a cup holder, and then the dash is on that side, and there's a push to start. And
Every car is push to start.
okay, the old cars don't have that. That's like I said, I'm not used to it.
Everything's pushes.
Well, I'm not used to that, because you see, my old car is so old. It's the regular key, so I'm not used to it. But the weather here is a lot nicer, guys. So it's currently, I'm gonna check the weather app real quick and tell you, 70 degrees. Well, blur from the sun. Here you go, that's a better view. See, Buffalo is 70 degrees right now. So much better than Florida, because back home it's 90 to 100 degrees plus humidity. So it feels great out here. And then the hotel is not that far. It's maybe a 10-minute drive or less. So we'll be there pretty quickly. And like I said, I'm hoping the room's ready early, but probably not, because most hotel rooms aren't ready till like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. But maybe. Oh, they got Tim Horton coffees out here. I thought that was a Canada thing. Okay.
We're right next to Canada.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting we're in upstate New York, not like the city New York. But
Well, we're in western New York.
yeah.
Yeah. Not upstate.
Well, what's the difference? I thought it was the same.
We're literally the western part of New York.
Oh.
Upstate's like Albany,
Oh, okay.
on the other side of the state.
Oh. Alright, so we're now leaving the airport. And once we get out of this, past this traffic light, we'll be there in about 5 minutes. Okay, and we have arrived to the Delavan Hotel and Spa. It was a very quick commute from the airport in Buffalo to the hotel. Okay guys, so just like what I expected, the room wasn't ready early. She said to call back around after 1, because she said they're at full capacity right now. So they said they don't start cleaning until like 11, so the rooms will be ready after 1. So we're gonna go ahead to Chris and Alicia's house, which is about a 30-minute drive from where our hotel is at, and we're gonna nap and relax there, and then probably get lunch, and then hopefully by then the room will be ready so we can shower and get ready and put our stuff in and down. And then we have a rehearsal to go to this afternoon, and then the wedding will be tomorrow. So we have made it, and they live in a nice cozy house, and they were so sweet to us. So they let us nap here for a little bit, shower, rest, and now we're gonna get food, go pick up his tuxedo. Alright, burger just arrived. I end up getting the junior size because they have a regular size and a junior size. I didn't want to eat too much because tonight we're going to be getting wings and pizza. But then Tebow got the regular size of, is that the spicy burger? I don't remember. Yeah. And then that's Chris's burger. He said this is his favorite burger spot, so. Okay, so we just left that burger sandwich spot, and I already forgot the name of the place, like even though we literally just left there. The Walls and Sandwich, and the burger I had was really good. I'm glad I didn't get the bigger size because they had a junior and then a bigger size, but I think the junior was filling enough for me. And then you can choose between tater tots or french fries, but I end up getting the onion rings as my side instead of french fries or tater tots. But now, after we left having lunch with Chris, we came to the wedding venue where the wedding is gonna be tomorrow, because Tebow's a groomsman in the wedding, so he has to practice for the rehearsal. And this place is so pretty. I gotta show you. It's called the Legacy on 18 Mile Creek here in Hamsburg. So when you first come in, you go down this road, and then the parking lots is on that side. Actually, let me start from the very beginning, because this venue is very, very pretty, and I want to show you guys around this place, because like I said, this is where we're gonna be tomorrow. I'm not in the wedding, I'm just here for support basically, because Thibaut's the groomsman, I'm just the guest. But this is the front entrance of the barn, which I want to show you. So when guests first come in, they're gonna walk through there, and then the reception will be inside that building. And then of course the cocktail hour is going to be outdoor in this little patio area, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to walk over there. The doors are locked because obviously the wedding isn't until tomorrow. The rehearsal is just outdoors. But once you walk over there, they have a little chess area over there. And then this is the spot where they're going to have the cocktail hour. And let me see if I can show you like through the doors a little bit where the reception is going to be inside. It looks really nice. I mean, like I said, right now I can't give you the whole view, but you kind of see what it's gonna be like when we get dinner in there. All right, so let's walk down this pathway, because this is where the brides, the grooms, the best man, the groomsman, and maid of honor, and all of them are gonna go down this aisle. So they're practicing, like I said, right down there at the end of this pathway for the rehearsal. So I want to show you closer up of where the wedding ceremony is going to take place. Like I said, this place is very peaceful. It's really nice. Almost kind of reminded me of when my cousin got married in January, or was it last year? Yeah, or my cousin, one of those weddings that I went to within the last 2 years. But yeah, like I said, they're practicing their speeches, their walks, and stuff like that. So this is where everybody's gonna be, and it's gonna be a big wedding. Oh, what's the difference anyways?
One's got corn and the other's got corn.
It's corn is the same thing as corn.
No, it's not.
No.
You
No.
don't know New York corn.
Yeah, you can tell I'm not a New Yorker, that's why. I'm a Floridian. So we don't have a lot of those there.
They don't grow corn.
Yeah.
We grow like
Well, they probably.
oranges or something.
Yeah, oranges, sugar cane.
I still can't believe you're having 150 people at your wedding tomorrow, Chris.
140.
Oh, 140, sorry. Close enough. The number was, I was off by 10.
You are throwing everything off. You're gonna make me get charged for 10 extra. Well, probably by the end of the night there'll be. Probably by the end of the night there'll be 150 people.
Turn left onto the US 219 North ramp to
It's gonna be a big wedding, but it's gonna be a fun wedding.
Are you excited?
Yeah? This is
Yeah,
like
you're-
my,
Yeah, I'm excited to see you in there.
yeah.
I know, me too.
Finally.
Even though I won't see me get married, I will be married.
Okay, so Chris is picking up some pizza because we're gonna get some pizza and wings after the rehearsal. We stopped at this place called Leo's Pizzeria, and it's funny, there's a buffalo right next to me because we're in Buffalo, so you gotta have a buffalo in Buffalo. Okay guys, so the room actually got ready around 1, but we end up hanging out with Chris and Alicia pretty much the whole day. So we're just checking in now at 8 o'clock at night. But first thing is the shower. I want to show you this. So it's nice. You guys know how much I love double sinks because I like to have my own stuff, my own space, even though we're sharing and we're sleeping in the same bed, but still he can have his stuff on his side and I have my stuff on my side. And then I love this shower. And let me show you why I love it so much, because it's a rainfall shower head and it's really nice in here. So I like how this goes up. It's a lot of space up there because Thibaut's tall. He's 6 foot tall. He needs a lot of space. We're not gonna be squished. And then the toilet is separate. Okay. And then we're gonna walk into the living room, and first thing you see is this king size bed, and I like this room. It's nice. I like the wallpaper in the background. And then this side they have the desk and a chair and a phone lamp, and then over this side they have the TV and a Keurig coffee machine. They do have a mini fridge down here, and then of course storage. This time I'm not emptying out like all my stuff, except probably the dress, because I'm wearing that for the wedding tomorrow. I don't want to get too crushed up. But yeah, lots of storage. And then over this side, you're gonna see the view. It's not that pretty. It's just basically the roof of that restaurant, and then the back of the parking lot. That's pretty much it. It's a nice little hotel. I didn't get to explore everywhere because, like I said, we got here late. When we first came in the morning, the room was not ready at 9-10 o'clock in the morning. It wasn't ready till 1, and by that time Thibaut had to go do his rehearsal at what time it was, 3:50 in the afternoon. So it didn't make sense to like drive 30 minutes to come here, then drive 30 minutes. That's too much back and forth, wasting gas. So we decided we'll just come back here later on at night. As long as we get here before midnight, then we pretty much getting our money's worth for this night stay, because we're here for about 3 nights, 4 days. So I hope you guys enjoy day 1 with us. I know we did a lot. We had a long day because we had an early flight. Obviously, we've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. The flight left at 6:30. Oh, I gotta tell you a story, guys. Speaking of that, it's crazy. I didn't notice at first, but Thibaut overheard a couple's conversation in the Orlando airport when we were about to board the plane, and he's like, I think these people are going to the same place as us. I said, what do you mean? He's like, I heard them talking about Alicia, and then they were talking about wings, because that's what they were gonna do after the reception, is get pizza and wings. And he's like, those two things sounds exactly what we're doing today too. And he's like, I wonder if they're going to Alicia's and Chris's wedding. And then I texted Alicia and Chris. I said, hey, do you have friends from Orlando that are flying in today and going to your wedding? She's like, yeah. She's like, they're probably on the same exact flight as you. And then we met them at the rehearsal and at Alicia's and Chris's house for the food, the dinner that we had. And then, yeah, we got to meet them, and we're like, oh, that's so funny. You were on the same plane, and I think they were in the row next behind us or something. I can't remember, but yeah, it's just so funny having the same people on the same flight going to the same place. That happens a lot to me too. Well, except I didn't really know them, but what I'm trying to say is a lot of places that I travel to, or like anywhere I go, it could be the grocery store, it could be the theme parks, it could be wherever, I'm always bumping into somebody like either I know from like work, school, or mutual friend or family or whatever. I know I'm blabbing a lot, so I'm gonna try to end this real quick. But like, it was a great day, a long day. Like I said, been up since 4 a.m. Got here, everything, flights went smoothly. And then we got the rental car. I like the rental car. Thibaut still wish I would have picked the Cadillac. He'd rather a Cadillac than a Mercedes because he doesn't care for a Mercedes, but I prefer a German car than an American car. Okay, so then after we got the rental car, like I said, we went to hang out at Chris and Alicia's house to take a little nap. It was very nice of them to let us use the guest bedroom and shower and, you know, relax, because we've been up so early. And then got lunch at that sandwich place, and I keep forgetting the name of it, and I don't feel like looking it up right now. It was a great burger spot. And then, of course, did a rehearsal, hang out with them again, did dinner, and now just checking in the hotel. So tomorrow, that's gonna start up a new video. So this is everything we did today on our travel day and on day 1 in Buffalo, New York. Tomorrow is going to be the wedding day, and we're going to get breakfast, and then I'm going to include the Canada trip, because we're planning to do Niagara Falls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next adventure. Bye.